Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna be making slime. I didn't do a video trying to set it up. Paste. If I move it to the table too much, it's gonna fall. No, it's not. Okay. I hope my phone doesn't have a job, but actually we're gonna be making some slime. One time I did it without you guys seeing, so I just felt like we're gonna do one. And yeah, so I'll tell you when I'm done setting these up. Okay guys, so I set everything up. So we're gonna be making foam right here. Right, so the first things we need to do, I forgot what to do. So we get this, I already know this, that. When we put 15 millimeters of what's called 15 millimeters. Yes. 15. You know what? I'm gonna make it bigger, so I'm gonna make it bigger one. Actually, so I'm just gonna put it to 20. I wanna make it big. And next 20 millimeters, I already know that. Of water. 20. That's already one. So I'm gonna do it for some water. Where is it? Oh, there it is. I'm gonna go to 30. And then all I know is that you gotta pour it into this bottle. Here. Oh, the glue will get in there. It's really hard actually. And the reason why I'm looking over there is because I'm checking out my subscribers and stuff now. God, why does no one around? Looks like I'm gonna have to do this. Oh, it's seriously sticking. Oh, this is sticking. Seriously sticking. Ooh, I'm gonna make a big one. That's it. Alright. So, foam, where's foam? Go foam. To make foam slime, pour about 1/3 of the bag of foam beads. So I already know fractions, of course. We just learned that in 3rd grade. God. Michael, if you're watching this, don't make a hate comment. I'll go for you next on Tuesday. Checking all my I'm checking, you know. Oh no, it freaking died. Shoot. What the heck? It isn't because my hands are like slippery. Yeah, it's slippery. Hands are slippery. Alright, oh shoot. Okay, there, okay. Yeah, mine's about to die too. So this one. Dang it. Yeah, I knew. Because I was moving it too much. Let me check what's percent. Okay. I'll probably have it for like setting up is like the hardest thing to do in videos, like where to set it up. Oh, I knew it was gonna fall. It's not gonna fall. Okay, I gotta bring it more over here so you guys can see. Oh, okay, so try to open this. Oh, let me go open it. Wash my hands. God. Look, I'm close to the. These not closed. It's weird. I'm gonna try to open it. Okay, now. Oh, yeah. Okay. I'm not gonna hold it. Make it older. Alright, so how long? Go for 1/3. So I need to wash this too. Oh my god. Comment down below what other slime you want me to make and what color. And I'll tell you in the comments all the colors I have. I have glitter too right here. Cool. Wait. Let me get into the ball, of course. Go. Boom. I know. Oh, this slime is very sticky now. Yeah, I'm coming. Alright, so oh, these are very little. They stick. That's one thing I know. Take this. This is a fun experiment. So, for experiment failed. Okay, so 1/3, right? Okay, where's the fractions? Doesn't show the fractions anymore. Looks like it. So I guess we're gonna have to do it by ourselves. It's really hard to hear. Look like this. The fractions were here. Oh yeah, here they are. It's really hard to see these.
What happened to this? I don't know how to turn it on.
What?
The heater.
There we go. There's one right there. That's enough. And then
It's glue or water.
Yeah, so there. Glue and water. Ugh. Oh, a lot of them are sticking to my hand. Oh, I know what to use. Here, these. It's the reason why they give these. Okay, so we need to wash this again.
Después esta vez te le echaron antes, ¿no?
So then,
Jump in the shower already, wow.
I know I'm going. Go foam. And then I'm gonna add this with the little spoon. Okay. Let me just make this slime and then I'm good. I hate this. Okay. It's really getting together. Okay, this might actually be a bigger one than my other one. I mean, small one. I actually listened to the instructions. I'm checking my phone is about to die. Okay, still on 15. Wow, that's good. And it doesn't have the battery saver. That's weird. Guess without the battery saver, it's like probably the battery saver is using the battery. Okay, then see you guys when this is done and I'm done taking a shower. Yeah. So let's spend a little bit more time. Hold on. Let me just wash this too. Hey guys, I'm done taking a shower. See you guys tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe if you're new. Turn on notification to be on the notification squad. And make sure to like this video. Peace.